believe it. It's the second pool attack. Let's do it. So this stupid meddling plants that went up. Oh, by the way, zombies! 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 Whatever. I'll just wait till it shows up. Go. The alarm. Hey, what is it, boss? We're gonna have a secret weapon this battle. What? If we fails, let's got a secret weapon. Rocky the Rock. Hey, what's up, everyone? We're gonna friend this guy with us. He's gonna help us in battle. Let's go. Before someone recognizes. Holy crap! I mean, the first fight was actually quite hard. Probably the zombies dealt with us way easier than I thought they would. Holy crap! I know, it's been raining. Let's go and try and hydrate. Okay. Alright. Got anything to say? Well, hey, I have an idea. What? The plants are always busy hydrating the water since it's been raining, of course. So, we'll be able to snipe them while they're trying to be hydrated. Best thing that's ever came out of your mouth. Okay, go in there. Why is it always me? Whatever, just go in there. Right, fine. Oh, see Daisy. Oh. Boss. Oh, zombies. I forgot that. Attack! Ah! Why am I walking so slow? Ah. Oh, ah. I killed you. Why are you dead? Now, come on. Oh. Door. Nope, this isn't gonna go good. Get out of here, Rocky. Get out of here, Rocky. Alright, let's go. Alright, come on, go. Let's go, everyone. Rocky, be careful about that pool. I'll deal with it. Okay. Oh my god, it's a new secret weapon. Ouch. Ah, check that. Oh, crap. Oh my god. Shishi. Ah. Ah, yikes. Bye. There's it. Motherfucker. Nope, seems like something bad's going on. Huh. Ow. Okay. That hurt. Let's go get them. Oh crap, here he comes. Oh. Ah, I don't like water. Oh. Stupid. Right. Swim through. Ah. Ugh. Ah, crap. Cool, bro. I can't shut. No, do not now.
I got a pound. I can only
Actually. Up.
I got a pound.
Up.
I got them.
Cool.
You had that.
Yeah, motherfucker. Zombies, run away! Run away, zombies, run! Run from the pool! It's too aggressive. Quick to hurt him, run! For your life! Wait, where's Rocky? Forget about Rocky! Oh my god. I followed in the sea of region. Okay. Well, that was annoying. Seems like we didn't get the brains this episode. Oh well, bye everyone. By the way, we lost the brains. We'll have to look around like 5 episodes. Bye everyone.